Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from rational equations which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get it started. As we can see, we have 77 and 33 involved in the equation. So I want to reduce these numbers. First of all, I will consider our substitution x equal to 11 times y. See what will come out. X square will be 11 square y square over 11y plus 33 whole cube plus 77 over 11y plus 33 whole square equal to 1. Now I can take 11 common from the denominator brackets. So I will write 11 square y square over 11 cube will come out as a common. So I will write here y plus 3 whole cube. Here I will write 77 over. This will become 11 square as we have power 2 in the denominator. In the bracket we will get y plus 3 whole square and RHS is 1. Now we can cancel 11 square with this power. So in the denominator there will be only 11. And here I will cancel 111 with numerator 77 and I need to write here 7. So let me write our equation here. Y square over 11 times y plus 3 whole cube plus 7 in the numerator, 11 in the denominator times y plus 3 whole square and RHS is 1. Now I will multiply both sides by 11. So I will write here 11 times 11 times 11. Now this 11 will be over. So we will write our equation y square over y plus 3 whole cube plus 7 over y plus 3 whole square equal to 11. Now to make our denominator same, I will multiply here y plus 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. Now I can take LCM. So I will write here y plus 3 whole cube. In numerator we will be writing y square plus 7y plus 21 equal to 11. Now I will write our numerator as y square plus 7y. So I will be writing y square plus 6y plus 9. Then y is left. 6y plus 1y is 7y. Now I will write here again plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 9 is left. Why I have written like this? Because this is y plus 3 whole square. This is again y plus 3, which is in the denominator with power 3. RHS is 11. Now first bracket in the numerator is y plus 3 whole square. Second is y plus 3 and then we have 9. So I will write y plus 3 whole square plus y plus 3 plus 9 over y plus 3 whole cube. RHS is 11. Now I will split. I will write y plus 3 whole square over y plus 3 whole cube plus y plus 3 over y plus 3 whole cube plus 9 over y plus 3 whole cube equal to 11. Now I can cancel y plus 3 whole square with this power. So in denominator there will be only y plus 3. Here we can cancel y plus 3. So denominator power will be 2. So I can write our equation 1 over y plus 3 plus 1 over y plus 3 whole square plus 9 times 1 over y plus 3 whole cube equal to 11. Now our substitution would be easy. I will consider 1 over y plus 3. Suppose this is m. So our equation will become m plus m square plus 9m cube equal to 11. M plus m square plus 9m cube equal to 11. Or we can write 9m cube plus m square plus m minus 11 equal to 0. If I will plug in simply m equal to 1, I will get one root or solution. 9 plus 1 plus 1 minus 11. This is true. So I can consider m equal to 1 is our base solution. Now let's use SDM, synthetic division method. Here I need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So coefficient of m cube is 9. Coefficient of m square is 1. Coefficient of m is 1 and constant is minus 11. Now leading coefficient, we will write 9 as it is. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 9 times 1 or 1 times 9 is 9, and then we will add these two, which will give us 10. Again I will multiply base solution with this 10. 1 times 10 is 10. Addition of 1 and 10 will give us 11. 1 times 11 is 11. Addition of these two numbers will give us 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation. Let me write here 9m square plus 10m plus 11 equal to 0. Let's solve this quadratic, and our base solution is m equal to 1. 9m square plus 10m plus 11 equal to 0. Now I will calculate only the discriminant value delta or d, which is b square minus 4ac. Here b is 10, so I will write 10 square minus 4 times 9 times c is 11. So I will write here 10 square as 100 and 36 times 11, which will give us 396. So this difference will come out negative 296. Discriminant is negative. We will get complex solutions. So I can reject easily as we are looking for real solutions. So the accepted value of m would be m equal to 1, which is our base solution. Now m was our substitution. Let me write here m equal to 1. M was 1 over y plus 3 equal to 1. Now we can cross multiply. Y plus 3 equal to 1, or I can write y will be 1 minus 3, which will give us y negative 2. Now y was our substitution at the beginning. x equal to 11y. So I will multiply both sides by 11. So I can write 11y equal to minus 2 times 11, and 11y was x. So our answer will become minus 22. Now we will verify this real solution here. Let me write here check. I will write x equal to negative 22. Equation is here. So let me begin with LHS. X square. So I will write minus 22 whole square over minus 22 plus 33. So can we write 11 cube? 33 minus 22 is 11 plus 77 over minus 22 plus 33. Again 11 is square. Now minus square is plus. So I will write here 22 square over 11 cube plus 77 over 11 square. Now I can multiply here with 11 in the numerator and denominator. Now denominator is same, 11 cube. So I will write here 11 cube in the denominator. Numerator will be 22 square plus 77 times 11. This will be 847. 22 square is 484 plus 847 over 11 cube is 1331. Addition of both the numbers will give us 1331 again, and denominator is 1331. We will get value 1, and 1 is our RHS. Hence our solution is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.